Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we have a very epic unboxing of this. This is the JC Wings 1:200 scale Cathay Pacific Cargo Hong Kong Trader livery 747-8 freighter. This was the final model that I got from Grayland Station in Chicago, and I got this for a very good deal. I got this for $140, which, considering how expensive these can run, this is a very good deal, and I'm so happy to have this. Let's go ahead and take a look around the box and then get into this thing. So of course on the front it says Cathay Pacific Cargo Boeing 747-8F scale 1:200, and then it shows the plane here with the Hong Kong Trader livery. And then up top it says Hong Kong, Asia's World City. And then let's look on the bottom here. So yeah, he marked it down 20 bucks from 165, which was really nice. So let's go ahead and look on the bottom here. It says 747-8, pretty much the same stuff. All right, so I am so excited to get into this. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box and take a look. Okay, and wow, look at this, guys. Let's go ahead and grab the stand out, which is a gigantic stand. Holy crap. It's got some dust on it here. There it says Cathay Pacific Cargo 747-8 scale 1:200. Let me go ahead and set this off to the side here. Grab out the landing gear, which is right here in this bag. And let's go ahead and grab out the beast itself. My goodness, this thing looks incredible. Wow. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the box out of the way here. Wow, look at this, guys. Let's go ahead and set it on the stand really quick. Wow. That thing looks so good. It's actually very sturdy on the stand, which I like. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab out the landing gear here. And finally, the front gear. Here we go. Holy crap. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and set this on the stand, and we're going to go take a look at some of the details. Okay, so up at the front we have the cockpit windows, and then up at the very front we have the nose cone. And then of course we also have the nose that opens to allow for the cargo to go in. Moving back, we have 3 windows on the top deck, and then under it says Hong Kong, Asia's World City. And then under it says Cathay Pacific Cargo. We have the first door right there, and then the landing gear which says Juliet Alpha on it. Moving back, we have the pattern of the Hong Kong Trader livery, and then back here we have Hong Kong Trader titles, and then the city of Hong Kong right next to it. In the back we have the registration, which is Bravo Lima Juliet Alpha. And then of course we have the iconic Cathay Pacific tail. And then on the wings we have the engines, which have incredible detail. You can see we have these sort of spikes that the new Boeing aircraft have. I'm not sure what the technical term is for those. And then of course it says GENX on the engines. And then looking in, you can see some of the fan blade details. And then here's a look down the front of the plane. And here are some more angles. This is just an absolutely incredible model. I'm super happy to have this. So that is about it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. This is going to look absolutely epic in the collection. Thank you guys so much for watching. Keep on a lookout for my Chicago airport footage, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Take care, guys, and I will see you later.